Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Showit website builder review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. Showit is a website builder made for creative who love design freedom. With its drag and drop editor, you can place elements anywhere on the page without touching code. It also comes with stunning template and lets you design your mobile and desktop layout separately. So your site looks exactly how you want it on any device. Plus, it connects with WordPress for blogging and offer plenty of tutorials and community support, making it a strong choice for photographers, designers, and small business owners. On the flip side, that same freedom comes with a learning curve. Since mobile and desktop layout are built separately, it can feel like double the work, and sometimes elements don't line up as expected. So Showit also doesn't have built-in e-commerce features, so you will need a third-party tools for selling products. SEO setup isn't as straightforward either, so you could be a drawback, and that could be a drawback rather for those who want a quick optimization. So in my review, Showit is still worth using, especially if you want a creative, fully customizable website and you are willing to put in extra effort for mobile design and integration. But it may not be the best choice if you want a simple all-in-one builder with built-in e-commerce and automatic SEO tools. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.